Beacon Therapeutics launches clinical trial for bilateral administration of XLRP gene therapy. Beacon Therapeutics has dosed the first patient in its phase 2 landscape clinical trial for evaluating the safety of bilateral dosing of Laruzova, its emerging gene therapy for X-linked retinitis pigmentosa caused by mutations in the gene RPGR. The trial is enrolling male patients between the ages of 12 and 50 at sites throughout the U.S. The first group of patients in the trial will have their second eyes dosed between 30 and 60 days after the first eye is dosed. For the second group of patients, the interval between the dosing of each eye will be between 7 and 14 days. While the primary goal of the study is to evaluate safety of bilateral subretinal injections administered over shorter periods of time, the company will also evaluate changes in visual function. Beacon announced completion of its enrollment for its phase 2/3 VISTA clinical trial for Laruzova in July 2025. The company expects to report results for VISTA in the second half of 2026. The company reported vision improvements for patients receiving Laruzova in 3 earlier clinical trials, Horizon, Skyline, and Dawn. Laruzova uses an adeno-associated virus, which works like a container delivery system, to deliver copies of the RPGR gene into the retinal cells of patients. Beacon says that 70 to 90% of XLRP cases are caused by mutations in RPGR. The treatment is administered by a one-time injection underneath the retina. The foundation funded preclinical research for the gene therapy that ultimately became Laruzova. This is Ben Shaberman, VP of Science Communications at the Foundation Fighting Blindness.